Hey everyone, it's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my crafty goals for the month of March. And I'm going to give you a little bit of a recap, but before, let's get down to our business. Crafty Goals with Amalia. That's the hashtag you want to look for to follow along with all the collabers that I have listed down below. All of us should be using that hashtag. Then we should be using the hashtag Crafty Goals with, in my case, Elaine. So if you want to follow along with me, just put in hashtag Crafty Goals with Elaine, and you can see the videos that I have done for this collaborative in 2020. So let's get started here. And I hope you can see this well enough. I've had to readjust my camera again, and one day I'm going to get it right. I promise. The first thing on my goals is finish the new art studio she shed. Well, not done. Drywall man is around the corner, I hope. And I've just come into somewhat of a pickle with the little bit of plumbing I want to do. So it's still in process. So have I done that? No, I have not. Completed projects that I've started. The only thing that I really started this month was I did the ATC swap where you sent 6 and you got 6 back, and that's what this is, and I'll do a little video on them later. And then I did do some coasters using resin. I had used resin on that ATC, and then I've used resin on some other things, and I've always had pretty good success. Well, with these coasters that I did, and I'm going to do a video on it. It's going to be in my playlists for the good, the bad, and the ugly. Things that kind of worked, kind of didn't work. So yeah, I started it and I finished both of those projects on a timely basis. Now, the other thing that took a little bit of my time this month was that I did online auction locally here. And I bought this really cool bin that has, it was a candy rack bin. And I got that, and then I got some wooden crates. And I've been working on those things to prepare them to go into the she shed. And if you remember a bunch of videos back, last year I had gone back to Scottsboro to get this cubby hole, this big wooden cubby hole thing. And I've kind of been working on it and getting it cleaned up. I've got some of it painted. I need to put a new back on it. So as far as crafty is concerned, not really a whole lot, but I have been doing things toward getting my she shed ready to go. Have I continued to use what I have? I certainly have. I honestly can't remember the last time I went into a store. Not just because of the situation we're in, but just in general. I really have been trying to use what I have. Have I stayed organized? Yeah, I've stayed organized, which leads me to, and I should have done this in the beginning, Amalia wanted us to have the key word this time, which is really 2 words, is spring forward. So what I think about for spring forward is, of course, springing ahead in time when we change the clocks. I also think about springing forward into, maybe projects that we haven't done, we haven't completed, we want to do, go ahead and spring forward into them. And I probably speak for everybody at this point in time. We want to spring forward past this situation that we're in. Many of us may like being at home, but we don't necessarily want to be forced to be at home, and that's kind of where we're at. So I think we all agree that we want to spring forward past all of this and keep everybody safe and healthy, however. 2 live videos this year. I have not done those. One thing about the live videos, you cannot be on your phone to do a live video unless you have 1,000 subscribers, which I have not reached yet. I think I can do one from my desktop, but at this point I don't have a whole lot to say sitting at my desk. So I still have to do that. I don't know why I gave myself a check. That's an X. But it's on my list, and hopefully this year I will get that accomplished. Have I done my weekly YouTube video? Yeah, I have. I'm kind of getting a little slowed down with it though, because I don't want to wreck my room, I'm starting to pack things up and getting ready, to move when the time comes, that it's kind of slowed me down in what I do. I still do enjoy commenting on each of my weekly videos. I like having conversations with people when they chime in. Have I stayed up to date with my monthly craft videos? I certainly have. Unannounced giveaways. Yep, I did another one this month, but I had no winner. They did not come and comment, and I give them a week. And I've been told that a week is a very long time for someone to come back and check you out. So, but they are unannounced. They're surprise videos, and it is what it is. Better with media. Yeah, I continue to tweak things here and there, and learn different things. You probably have not noticed, but I am. My quarterly ATC fun with the IO group. That's what the little inchies were all about. So I did do my quarterly swap with them. It was 3 retreats, which I did one in January. Now attend 2 retreats. The one in May has been pushed to October, and then hopefully the one that I co-host in August, we will still have it. So I'm on target, and then to host 2 here if I can ever get my she shed done. And then find at least 2 new YouTubers and subscribe monthly. This month I've picked 3. Second Chance Crafting. I chose her because I like what she does about, again, using what she has and turning it into something. And then I wanted to give a special shout out to Crafty Mama and This and That with Michelle. They are not necessarily new to YouTube, but they were very kind to me. They've had a couple of collaboratives last year, and I was welcomed, and they didn't know me from the Man in the Moon. So I think that you'll enjoy seeing what they're up to. I think Michelle lately has been doing a lot of hauls. And Crafty Mama, she kind of does all kinds of things, shows you crafty stuff, and she'll talk about products as well. So please give them a look, and I'll list their information down below. And so, yep, I've done that. And then watch all collabers. Now, I have to say, there's a bunch of us doing this collaboration. So can I sit down on Saturday and watch them all? No. And I don't think anyone really expects you to either. So that's one reason why I made this list. And if you look at my email address below, send me a note, saying you want the collabers list. I'll be glad to shoot this off to you. And it's a good way to keep up. Just color in the box, saying that you've watched that collaber. Now, you can't click on anything and take you there. It's just mainly a check sheet to be sure that you have watched all of us. I think everybody in the group, for us to watch each other, has been using this. So I guess that's really me and my crafty goals for the month. So I appreciate you coming by. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and give me that thumbs up. And I want to say to everybody, please behave, stay safe, stay healthy, and we're going to get through this. So I appreciate y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.